Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I will show you how to find the right of the shadow. So we know that this is about the building, the shadow in here, that is about 60. So we can find about this one, hypotenuse. We can use about Pythagorean theorem. So that should be about 80 square plus 60 square equals to 100 square. And we know that this one that is about 100. So in this one we have the second formula in here. We know that this is about the right triangle. We can use about tan data equals to opposite divided by adjacent. So adjacent, that is about the shadow. So I will put about S. Opposite, that is about 80. When the sun go to this way, the building does not change. So that should be about 80 in here. Now we need to do first the derivative for the both sides. So we can apply the product rule of the derivative. So that should be about first the derivative of s multiplied by tan data. Later that we need to do first the derivative of tan data multiplied by s equals to 80. So this one we have number one, ds over dt. This one we have secant of data square d data over dt. This one you got number 0. Now the question, they want to find the right of the shadow. So that is about ds over dt. We know that this one, they just provide in here. And we know this is about increase. That means we have positive. So this one we have positive 0.27. So at this time s equals to 60. About secant data, that is about hypotenuse divided by adjacent. So hypotenuse at that time, that is about 100. Adjacent, that is about 60 of this angle in here. So we put 100 over 60 go in here with the power number 2. Now let's go to tan data. That is about opposite divided by adjacent. Opposite we have 80, adjacent that is about 60. This one we have number 1. Now we can put this number go to the right, and then we divide both sides by this one. And now we got the final answer in here. So this one we have minus negative 33.75. So we have fit the time in here, that is about minute. This is the end. Thank you for watching.